This simple candle wax trick will save your shoes. Grab a pair of fabric sneakers, like these canvas ones. First, find a regular household candle, preferably made of wax. Now, take that candle and start rubbing it all over the surface of your sneakers. Just like I'm showing you here, cover every inch. Let me know where you're watching from today. I'd love to give you a shout out in our next video. Today's shout out goes to Ray from Canada. Thanks for tuning in. All right, once you've thoroughly rubbed the wax on, your sneakers will look like they have a white coating. Don't worry, that's exactly what we want. Now, grab a hairdryer and set it to hot. Start blowing hot air onto the waxy layer on your sneakers. You'll see the wax melting into the fabric, and the white residue will disappear, creating an invisible shield. Once you've gone over both sneakers, let them sit for about 5 minutes. This will allow the wax to solidify back into a layer. Let's be real, dealing with soaked sneakers is the worst. Damp shoes not only smell awful, but can also cause foot health issues like athlete's foot if you're not careful. This DIY hack is a lifesaver for anyone who's tired of wet feet. And just like that, you've created a shield against rain. Now, just to prove it works, I've only waterproofed one of the shoes here so you can see the difference. Watch as I pour water over both shoes, see? The treated shoe stays dry, while the untreated one soaks up water instantly. This simple wax trick is the ultimate solution for rainy days, camping trips, or any situation where you need extra protection for your shoes.